You're welcome, guys. So I want to quickly show you guys this strategy that I'll be using to catch spikes on crash. So this strategy I'm about to show you guys is mainly for catching of spikes on crash market. Okay. All right. So I'll use crash 1000 and crash 500 to show you guys how to catch spikes with this strategy. All right. So the next thing I'll be doing now is showing you guys the settings and how to use the strategy. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys my channel, what is happening, what we've been doing so far. You see, this free Telegram channel. I've been giving signals. We dropped some signals, okay, on the Telegram channel, and we're making good profits already. And these are VIP. You can see signals is dropping back to back. We have so many signals we've given out already. Signal is still running right now. This trade is still running. This one here is still running. Very soon I'll update them with the profit. All right, so we're making money. We're making money every day, guys. We're making money every day. We're not joking. We are too good to lose. So, yeah, if you're looking for a place to do accounts management, you can check the description of this video to chat me up. You want VIP signals, you can check the description of this video to chat me up as well. Mentorship, I'm always available. All right, please don't send money to me like for any form of investment. Like if I tell you, if you send $1,000 for me, I'll flip the $1,000 to give you $10,000 in a few days. That's not me, and I will never chat you first. Please be careful. Don't allow people to scam you here. All right. So please, if you're new on our channel, before I start with this strategy, please show some love by smashing the subscribe button, like this video, share with friends with those big platforms, and let me know if you can share with those big platforms, those big guys. Go to those big groups, share this video, and let me know. I have something for you. Okay, so share this video with friends and all, and drop some good comments. Join the free Telegram channel. Check the description of this video to do all that. Okay, so this strategy, like I said, is for catch spikes on crash or on the bull market as well. All right, so I'm using crash now to show you guys how to catch spikes with this strategy. I'll quickly show you guys the settings. The first indicator we bring in will be, click on the main window here. We bring the first indicator, which is the RSI. We're bringing in the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Okay, so the first RSI, the period will be 12. The period is 12. Okay, apply to typical price. And the lows here, we don't need this. We need just 0 here and 0 here. So we only need level 90 and 10. Okay, you click on down, and here where we have styles, we're using white because you don't want it to be seen on the chart. Then we reduce this. We're using white, don't want it to be seen on the chart, so we click on done. That's the indicator window we just opened. Then we go back again to add more indicators. We click on indicator window 1, and the next indicator will be moving average. Okay, so you can see the period here is 10. Period is 10. Shift is 0. Exponential. Apply to close. We have here down here with the color here is blue, and you can use blue as well. The color there is blue. Click on done. That's the blue indicator we have in here. All right, the blue indicator we have in here. Then we go back again. We click on the same indicator window 1 to bring in the next another indicator. So the next indicator we are bringing in is the CCI, Commodity Channel Index. Right, we're bringing that in. The period is 420. Apply to typical price. We have minus 100 and 100 as the levels, and here is white. We are using white because you don't want it to be shown on the charts, right? We're using white, and you click on done. All right, but down here under this style here we're using red. You can use red as well, and you click on done. That's the second indicator we have in here. All right, the second indicator we have in here. Then after that, we click on that icon again, and next time we're clicking on the plus sign on the we click on the plus sign on that main window. Great. Now the indicator we're bringing in is the RSI, relative strength index. All right, so the period now will be 16 instead of 12. 16 typical price. The levels here we have gonna have 20. Sorry, we're gonna have 20, and we're gonna have 80 as well. Okay, 80, and here the color will be blue. Use color blue. Okay, and probably increase it so that it will be seen, and click on done. Sorry, let me increase this to, looks too tiny. Click on done. Right, so this is how to use this strategy. You can see what happened here when market was around this level. There was a massive spike there. We had some spikes right here. That was the spike because price was around this level. There was a spike, and also up to this point we had on indicator window 1. In window 2 we have the RSI above the level 90, and there was a spike. Then if we keep on doing the same thing, we keep on checking again. We had a spike here. Let's back test it. We had a spike right here and right here. Okay, so then you come here again. We have a spike, another one here. So you can see it's crazy. You make more money. You make crazy money with this strategy. All right, so same thing here at level 90 and 80. There was a spike. Another thing here. So every time we have a spike, every time we have a spike, every time we have a spike. So this strategy is crazy. So what you need to do is just wait for market to get to the level 90 on the indicator window 1. We have the 2 indicators, both the red and the blue indicator at this level 90. All right, then you look down again on the indicator window 2. Make sure that you have the RSI at level 80 or 90, then you'll be looking to sell. Now, as you're selling, if you're planning to open 2 lot size, you want to open 1 lot size when market touches the level 80, then wait for market to get to the level 90, then you open 1 lot size down here around level 80, and when the indicator here gets to level 90, you open another position. All right, so that if it didn't spike the first time, it's going to spike the second time, and as it's spiking, it will get to at least the first position, if not all. Right, you make your money. Okay, you cannot open everything at once. Okay, you don't open everything at once. All right, you don't open everything at once. So that's how you do it. You make your money. Then this strategy, like I said, is to catch spikes on boom and crash. Okay, so this is how to use a spike on crash with this strategy. Then you use the zoom level here. We have the zoom level 1, we have the 2, we have the third. So you use the third zoom level to catch spikes with this strategy. Okay, and we use 1 minute time frame to catch spikes with this strategy. All right, the screen positioning, you just move your screen, centralize your screen. It's going to give you what you want. Okay, but make sure that if you push to the back, to the left and right, that this indicator here, the one here, does not leave this place. You push like this, it does not leave this place. This place is always there. Know that market has gotten to the overbought level, and at the same time you have your RSI around this level as well. That means market has gotten to the overbought level. All right, so that's it, guys. And let me quickly check crash 500. Okay, so you can see crash 500 did the same thing. There was a spike here. There was a spike right there. All right, so that's how to make money with this strategy, guys. I'm not joking. That's how to make money with this strategy. It works every time. Works every time. So let's join hand together. Let's make money. Check the description to join the free Telegram channel for free signals that are coming and classes. The new batch for advanced students starts January. Advanced class is still going on, and if not in January, we're gonna start our classes, the new batch fully. Okay, so I want everyone to be there. I want everybody to start learning this 2024. You should not close 2024 the same way you closed this year. Make sure that you acquire this new knowledge. At least find something you need to learn. You need a skill, right? Learn forex. All right, learn forex. You must not learn from me, but you must learn from somebody. Just have the knowledge. Okay, so I think that'll be all for now, guys. I love you. Bye bye.